Hi all, welcome back to Creative Hub. Today we are going to make something cool wall decor. So let's move on to the video. Take a cardboard. You can use a plate to cut out circles. Cut the cut circle in half. To make one, just take a one semicircle. Take another piece of cardboard and cut it like this. Piece of cardboard and wrap it around the thread several times. We can make our favorite colors like this. Use a glue gun and stick it on. Take the semicircle you cut first. You can use cloth or sticker paper to cover it like this. Comb and comb the threads well. Cut it according to the desired length. You can use double-sided tape to stick it to the wall.